The information is not going through your names. The information goes in and out of your email. But I don't suggest that you go to City Hall and then ipabago mo yung pangalan mo. Don't do that. You still have a name. Okay, now, this is a very interesting part. And, I don't know if you're familiar with service, but you can actually have this your own. I'm going to tell you the secret, but let's agree first. Can we try this? Can we try this? Yung sa cellphone, para malaman nyo kung ano yung nagiging itsura. Yung sa cellphone, para malaman nyo, this is very beneficial to your business, by the way, really. You try it. Text Luna, space message, and send to 2299. See what happens. Later on, sabihin sa akin. And this is my secret. You can log on to textjack.com and you can create your own for free. The 4-digit number, whatever type of name of business you have. Log on to TextJack. I don't get any commission here. Next time I'll try to again. But this is free, for free. And you will get 30 centavos per message received from that. So I earn like 30 centavos for one message. And you will be able to get the number of the subscribers. Interesting, right? Yeah. Should be paying for me. Should be paying me for this one. Okay. You live in the text capital of the world, so capitalize on text messaging. Madali lang tandaan yan. Text capital, capitalize on text. Okay. Move on. These are some the new media marketing that I'm talking about, and babanggitin ko na lang siya. Number 1 is the blogging. Number 2 is the videocasting. Kung gusto nyo yung may video, yung mga products or services ninyo. And the podcasting. You visit creativevoices.com. This can actually give you some ideas about podcasting. And the electronic commerce, online community. You need to be everywhere in the internet. You need to join chat rooms. You need to join forums. You need to join every venue that you can actually promote your business online. And that will appear also in the search engine. Okay. Next. In my book, Techniques, I wrote, quality isn't something that you put on your services. It's what people get from your services. So make no mistake na pagbabalik ta rin ninyo. The quality, no matter how good we are at really making things, it's still up to our customers, our clients, if it's quality or not. And then in my other book, We Have a Life of Your Own, I wrote, if you're not online, you are offline. And in layman, if you're not online, you're dead. Okay, good. But whether you are prepared or not, by the way, whether you are prepared or not, the future will surely arrive. And so when it arrives, my question would be, where will you be? During the birthday of Joey Concepcion, one entrepreneur asked me, Lord, here is you are the country's foremost career philosopher, and you've been inspiring and motivating so many people around the country. Let me ask you one thing. This is a circle. Where do you want to be in the circle? Ako daw yung maliit na yan. So, syempre naman, medyo intelligent ako doon. My intelligent answer was, I want to be in the middle because, I can see everything around me. Wow, sabi niya, that's a good try. But here's what I found out to be true. This is what I found out to be true. Next slide, please. You never know where the consumer is going to be at any point in time, so we have to find a way to be everywhere. And so finally, before I leave the stage, that's the same thing, by the way. That's the same advice of the New York Times I'm giving you this afternoon. In our minds, what we believe to be true either is true or becomes true. If you think now, if you believe that you are too small to compete with these big guys, think again, because you are true. But if you believe that you can make it in a matter of 3 to 5 years, you can make it big, bigger, even biggest among your industry, and then you are still true. Now, this philosophy has changed my life. Success is not something that you pursue. Success is something that you attract by the person you become. Which, in order to fit the equivocation, I actually changed it a bit. It said, business is something that you don't pursue. It's something that you attract by the person you become. So it's always about personal development. It's your business. And so, ladies and gentlemen, this afternoon, let me tell you that ICT isn't the difference at all. The difference is you. Good afternoon.
Thank you, Lloyd. No, we'd like to request you to remain on stage. At this point, the way we formatted this is that after each speaker, we'll have a brief question and answer. The time allotted was originally 10 minutes, no, but we're cutting that down to 5, no, because of time constraints. No? But we'd like to thank Lloyd now and perhaps interest the audience to ask some questions. No? But before that, I'd like to acknowledge my partner here, no? Because she's the timer. At the same time, she accused me. Her name is Miss Dennis Calne. Big hand for her, please. And she whispered in my ear that if anyone would care to ask questions, no, they would get a special prize. So let me be the first one to ask.
Wait, sorry, can I ask my a question?
You're disqualified.
Okay, sorry.
Disqualified. But we will buy your book.
Okay, thank you so much.
We will buy your book. So I'd like to ask Lloyd, because the SME representatives are here. No? These are business owners, and in fact, a big percentage of that are toiling really very hard, no? Given different conditions. No? Now, you struck me as a man with really a high sense of optimism, no? A lot of flexibility in your business. But for the SMEs, for instance, they have their respective core competencies. No? They have their own core business. No? And ICT here, while it certainly presents all of these benefits, can it be something that they can do right away?
Yes.
And the second side to this is what are its limitations now?
Okay, so definitely when you go in your respective homes, you can actually do this if you have the internet. You can actually create your own blog. You can start immediately. You can go to my website, and then you can actually go to another website called marvinsweb.com, and then deposit 650 pesos, and then you have your website domain and you're ready. You can start it just right away. But the limitation, as I would like you to know, is that the limitation is your mind. The limitation is your own creativity. There is no limitation in the internet. You can play God in the internet. You can always understand that you are handsome and no one will